Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to Technician Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to introduce yourself as a cinematic intro. And before going to our video, please subscribe to our channel and let's see an example. For doing intro, we just need 3 apps, namely KineMaster, PicsArt and Pixel Lab. So let's open KineMaster and do the first step. Select new project and add a media in which you want to edit the video. See this one, I have this video and I am going to edit this. First, choose which point you have to stop and which point you have to write the intro. So after that, capture and save picture like this and split it by selecting the video, and you can find a scissor shape and split at playhead. So the video will be split into 2 parts like this, and in the middle of that take the media and add the image in which we have captured now. See this one. Now let's see the video. See this one. So this is the first step, and let's go to second step, which is using PicsArt. Open PicsArt and edit the video in which we have taken screenshot. See this one, this is a picture, and cut the image in which a person has. See this one. By selecting the outer boundary of the image will be cutted like this. See the video for clear explanation, for getting clarity about the cutout in PicsArt. See this one, so I have to cut it out. So I am now cutted like this. See this one. I think you guys know how to cut this one, and after cutting, save this picture as image in your mobile library. So second step is completed, and now for third step, open the Pixlr app and select the image size as a YouTube thumbnail. See this one, and select OK, and delete all the remaining files on the new project. Now add the image, sticker, which you have cut in PicsArt. See this one. I am now adding this one. Fit the image perfectly to the screen. See this one. On the screen you can notice that the image should be perfectly fitted into that screen, and open the middle button and enable this stroke option. So you will get a white color cutout on the surface of the image, and make the background as transparent like this, and save the image, which is of high quality as shown in the video. Now open KineMaster and select the project which we have left behind and press on edit button. So we have the initial project like this. Now add a media, and I am extending the photo, see this one, and add a layer in which we have saved in Pixel app. See this one. The image should be perfectly fitted into the ratio of the screen. See this one. You have to take care while doing this operation. So we can get like this. And we have to animate. So for animation, press on this key button and select the initial point and ending point of the animation like this. So I am selecting this is the ending point. So you observing this animation like this. See this one. So the image will be animated throughout the video like this. And I am adding blur for the background of the image, and I am extending the image. See this one, you can see on the screen. Take a layer and go to effects and select the Gaussian blur, so you can add blur to the background. See this one, I am extending the blur throughout the screen, and go into settings and increase the blur strength, and bring this PNG image we have saved in Pixel Lab to the front of the video, and we can check this video like this. See this one, the animation will be like this. And also we have to add some effects, so I'm going to show you. Go to the layer and add media. See this one, this is the paint like structure. You can find this pics in the Google search for paint PNG image, so you will get from the Google. And after selecting, I am selecting the blending and screen format, so the paint will be perfectly suitable for the video. And also I am selecting the paint structure of for the video, which is required for the video, and I am setting the animation. So let's say wipe from right, and I am increasing the speed, so you can find this, it will be like ink falling on the ground. And for out animation, wipe right with speed. And also I have to bring this image to the front, PNG image. So on the screen you can find the animation like this, and see this one, I am stretching the animation, so you can find the processed image like this. And we have to if you interested, then you can add many of the effects for this image. And also I have another effect. See on the image, and I am going to add another layer of image. So go to the layer section and add media. So I have this image which was downloaded from the Google, and I am also adding this image for writing the name of the character. And I am also adding in animation and out animation, same as we done for the previous splash like painting. See this one, wipe from the left, wipe from the right, and increase the speed of the animation, so you can get perfectly painted structure of animation. And also add no need to add blending for this PNG image, and extend this up to the photo, and bring the PNG image to the front as shown in the video. So the final animation is this. So the intro will be like this, and we have to add the name. Adding a name is your wish, and you can choose any of the font and any of the name and any of the font styles. So I am adding the name, let's say Samira, see this one, and I'm changing the font. See this one, and we have to place the image perfectly. And also I am adding in animation and out animation for this text also. See this one, you can add your as your wish. So I am adding this animation for the text, and I am adjusting the position of the text so we can get a perfect animation. So this is some requirement. And also, if you want to add many other splash effects, you can add. This is your wish. There is no limit for creativity. So do creative, be creative. And I am adjusting the name like this, so the image should not be disturbed by the name. So this is the final output of the image. So if you can add any song which is suitable for the video, so I have this song and I am adding this one. So that's all, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share our videos and increase the subscribers to our channel. Thank you. And you can, after the completion of the animation, export this video and share on many other platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So thank you, guys. Signing off, team Technician Tech YouTube channel.